Things are just starting, just starting.
Yeah, motherfuckers! Yeah! Toya Cabrete!
Oh shit, I think we done fucked up the industry, cause every Tom, Dick, and dumb cunt is dissing B. L-I-S-S plus S-O-N-ism, so this is dedicated to you, so you best go and listen now. Don't you try to tell me what hip-hop is not. You don't own that motherfucker, man, you got it, pops. I'm gonna chop the crops, I'm gonna cop the rocks, I'm gonna cock the Glock, and they gon' pop the shot. But us, all we gonna try and do is rock the spot. We hot to try, it's not our fault we top the lot. And you just can't hack it, can you? You lost the plot, so put your whack album out and I'ma watch it flop. So cop my cock and quit acting tough. You're mad at us cause that'll show you lack the punch. The packing cunts and hear them all react at once. With every front row minger trying to snatch your nuts. Your rapping sucks, you faggot chumps, the facts are rough. I'm a sellout man, that just cracks me up. So back the fuck up at all the lessons when you step to me. And don't you dare ever try to question my integrity. Even your meanest diss is like a harmless joke. Dude, I'm right here, quit this in the bar of soap. You varmints choke knowing that my style is ill. You can hate us all you want, but you can't deny the skill. So fire at will, and any song you title still won't even affect me. I had a smile and chill, so please, it's over. Someone give me a drum roll. You numbskulls can take it straight up the bum hole.
Hit me high, hit me low. It don't really matter cause you know we're gonna go. It's working.
You goddamn right.
It's working.
And that's a guaranteed fact.
Hit me high, hit me low. It don't really matter cause you know we're gonna go. It's working.
Listen, that's always back.
It's working.
You see, Bliss and Esso's back, and that's a guaranteed banger. If you haven't seen us, then you haven't seen hammers hit concrete and then bloom something beautiful. Cause this song means there's no room for the usual, so get